Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizers. Today, we'll be looking at two models that promise to enhance your smartphone videography experience. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and see which one might be the best fit for you. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizer for iPhone is priced at $399. While the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizer for iPhone is more budget-friendly at $299. This $100 difference could be a significant factor for many buyers. Both gimbals come equipped with impressive features. The Hohem iSteady M7 offers RGB and CCT fill light options, while the Hohem iSteady M7 emphasizes its 360 RGB lighting capabilities. Each has its strengths, catering to different user preferences for lighting. In terms of AI tracking, the Hohem iSteady M7 features standard AI tracking, while the Hohem iSteady M7 boasts a magnetic AI tracker that enhances tracking performance. This could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize advanced tracking capabilities. In conclusion, both Hohem iSteady M7 models offer excellent features for smartphone videography. The Hohem iSteady M7 is a more budget-friendly option, while the Hohem iSteady M7 may include a richer package. Consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.